Hail damage is a common issue for vehicle owners, especially in regions prone to severe weather conditions. Hailstones can range from the size of a pea to as large as a golf ball or even bigger. And when these fall with significant force, they can leave behind unsightly dents on the surface of vehicles. Addressing this damage promptly is crucial not only for the vehicle's appearance but also for maintaining its value. Traditionally, repairing hail damage involved conventional repair methods, which typically include techniques like filling the dent with body filler, sanding it down, and repainting the affected area. While effective, this method has some drawbacks, including being time-consuming, costly, and sometimes leading to mismatches in paint color. In contrast, paintless dent repair, or PDR, has gained popularity as a more efficient and cost-effective alternative. PDR is a specialized technique that involves reshaping the metal back to its original form without affecting the paintwork. This process has several advantages over conventional repair methods, making it an increasingly preferred choice for repairing hail damage. Paintless dent repair is a technique that has been around for several decades, but it has gained significant traction in the automotive repair industry over the past few years. The process involves skilled technicians using specialized tools to massage the dented metal back into its original shape. The key to PDR is that it preserves the original factory finish of the vehicle, avoiding the need for any repainting or use of fillers. One of the primary reasons PDR is preferred over conventional methods is that it preserves the original factory paint. The factory paint on a vehicle is applied under controlled conditions and baked at high temperatures, creating a durable and long-lasting finish. Once this paint is damaged or removed, replicating the exact finish is challenging. Conventional repair methods often involve sanding down the damaged area, applying body filler, and then repainting it. Even with the best techniques, the newly applied paint may not match the original in terms of durability, color, and texture. PDR, on the other hand, works by carefully manipulating the metal back into shape without disturbing the paint. This not only ensures that the vehicle's original finish is retained, but also helps maintain the car's value. A vehicle with its original paint intact is generally worth more than one that has undergone significant repainting. Another significant advantage of PDR is its cost-effectiveness. Conventional repair methods are labor-intensive and involve several steps, including sanding, filling, priming, and painting. These processes require both time and materials, which can quickly add up in terms of cost. Additionally, if the repair involves a large area or multiple panels, the price can escalate even further. PDR, however, is a more streamlined process. Because it does not involve the use of fillers or paint, the material costs are significantly reduced. The process is also generally quicker, meaning less labor time is required. As a result, PDR can be significantly less expensive than conventional repairs, especially for minor to moderate hail damage. 3. Time efficiency. In addition to being cost-effective, PDR is also much faster than conventional repair methods. Traditional bodywork can take days or even weeks, depending on the extent of the damage and the availability of materials and paint. During this time, the vehicle is often out of commission, which can be inconvenient for the owner. With PDR, many repairs can be completed in a matter of hours, especially if the damage is minor. This means that the vehicle is back on the road much sooner, minimizing disruption to the owner's routine. For busy individuals or those who rely heavily on their vehicle, this time-saving aspect of PDR can be a significant advantage. 4. Environmental impact. Conventional repair methods involve the use of various chemicals, including body fillers, primers, and paints. These materials can have a significant environmental impact, both in terms of their production and their application. For example, automotive paints often contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can contribute to air pollution and have harmful effects on human health. Additionally, the sanding and repainting process generates waste, including dust and paint overspray, which must be properly disposed of. PDR is a much more environmentally friendly option. Since it does not involve the use of chemicals or paints, it produces very little waste and has a minimal environmental impact. For environmentally conscious vehicle owners, PDR offers a way to repair hail damage without contributing to pollution or waste. 5. Retention of vehicle value. Maintaining the value of a vehicle is a top priority for many owners, especially those who may consider selling or trading in their car in the future. Any history of significant bodywork or repainting can negatively affect a vehicle's resale value. Potential buyers often prefer vehicles that have not undergone major repairs, as original factory conditions are seen as more desirable. Because PDR preserves the original paint and avoids the use of fillers, it helps retain the vehicle's value. There are no visible signs of repair, and the vehicle's finish remains as it was when it left the factory. This can make a significant difference in resale or trade-in value, making PDR an attractive option for those who want to protect their investment. Paintless dent repair, or PDR, is a highly versatile technique that can be used to repair a wide range of dents and dings, not just hail damage. This includes door dings, minor creases, and even larger dents, provided the paint is not cracked or damaged. The versatility of PDR means that it can be applied to almost any part of the vehicle, including the roof, hood, doors, and trunk. However, it's important to note that PDR is not suitable for all types of damage. If the paint is chipped, cracked, or severely scratched, or if the metal has been stretched too far, conventional repair methods may be necessary. That said, for the vast majority of hail damage cases, PDR is an effective solution. One of the challenges of conventional repairs is achieving a perfect paint match. Even with advanced color matching technology, it can be difficult to replicate the exact shade and finish of the original paint. This is particularly true for older vehicles, where the paint may have faded or weathered over time. A slight difference in color or texture can be noticeable, especially in certain lighting conditions, and can detract from the overall appearance of the vehicle. With PDR, there is no risk of paint mismatch because the original paint is not altered. This ensures a seamless repair that is virtually undetectable, maintaining the vehicle's aesthetic integrity. Conventional repairs often require the removal of parts such as panels, trim, or even entire sections of the vehicle. This can sometimes lead to issues with alignment, fitment, or the introduction of rattles and other noises. Additionally, once parts are removed and reinstalled, they may not fit as perfectly as they did originally. PDR minimizes disruption to the vehicle's structure. The repair is done without removing any parts or altering the vehicle's construction. This ensures that the vehicle remains as close to its original condition as possible, without introducing any new issues. Many insurance companies recognize the benefits of PDR and are increasingly likely to recommend it for hail damage repair. Since PDR is often less expensive than traditional methods, it can save insurance companies money, which in turn can lead to lower premiums for policyholders. Additionally, because PDR is faster, insurance claims can be processed and resolved more quickly, getting the vehicle back to the owner sooner. It's also worth noting that some insurance policies may cover the cost of PDR entirely without requiring the owner to pay a deductible, depending on the terms of the policy and the extent of the damage. In summary, paintless dent repair offers numerous advantages over conventional repair methods when it comes to fixing hail damage on vehicles. The preservation of the original paint, cost-effectiveness, time efficiency, environmental benefits, and the ability to retain vehicle value all make PDR a compelling option for vehicle owners. While it may not be suitable for all types of damage, PDR is an excellent solution for the vast majority of hail damage cases, providing a high-quality repair that is virtually undetectable and preserving the vehicle's original condition. As more vehicle owners and insurance companies recognize the benefits of PDR, it is likely to become the go-to method for hail damage repair, further solidifying its place in the automotive repair industry. For those who want a quick, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly solution that maintains the value and appearance of their vehicle, paintless dent repair is undoubtedly the best choice. If you would like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair, you can contact Angelo Dent Removal, Inc. We will be happy to write you an estimate in our state-of-the-art estimating bay for all your hail damage needs. So give us a call at 325-7036-149 and schedule your appointment today. That's 325-7036-149. Stop by and see us at Angelo Dent Removal Inc., the name you can trust. Let's make your car look great again.